Shopping for winter clothes.
Hello, I want to buy some winter clothes today.
Welcome. I will be happy to help. What do you need?
The weather is getting very cold, so I need warm clothes.
That is a good idea. Are you looking for a jacket first?
Yes, I need a warm jacket for every day.
We have many jackets. Do you like black, blue, or gray?
I like the blue one. It looks nice.
Great choice. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a medium.
Here is a medium jacket. Please try it on.
It feels warm, but I think it is a little tight.
No problem. Here is a large size.
This one is much better. It fits me well.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like a warm sweater, too?
Yes, I need 2 sweaters for winter.
We have soft wool sweaters in many colors.
I like the dark green sweater and the gray one.
Both are very popular. Please check your size.
They fit well. They're very comfortable.
Wonderful. Do you also need a scarf?
Yes, my neck gets very cold in winter.
This soft scarf is warm and easy to wear.
I like it. It matches the blue jacket.
You have good style today.
Thank you. I'm trying my best.
Do you need a warm hat?
Yes, I always wear a hat on cold mornings.
This knitted hat is soft and very warm.
I will take it. I also need a pair of gloves.
Here are some winter gloves. Would you like black or brown?
I think the black gloves look better.
Please try them on to check the size.
They fit perfectly. My hands feel warm already.
That's great. We also have warm socks if you need them.
Yes, I need 2 pairs of warm socks too.
Good choice. They are soft and comfortable for winter.
Nice. I think I have everything now.
Let me check. You have 1 jacket, 2 sweaters, 1 scarf, 1 hat, 1 pair of gloves, and 2 pairs of socks.
Yes, that is everything. Is there any discount today?
Yes, if you buy more than 5 items, you get 15% off.
That is wonderful. I am happy to save some money.
Your total price is ready after the discount. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you for all your help. I am ready for the cold winter now.
Buying concert tickets.
Hello. I would like to buy concert tickets today.
Welcome. I will be happy to help you. Which concert would you like to see?
I want to see the live music concert this Saturday evening.
That is a very popular concert. How many tickets do you need?
I need 2 tickets, please.
No problem. Would you like seats near the front or in the middle?
I think the middle seats are better.
Good choice. They have a very nice view of the stage.
That sounds perfect. Are those seats still available?
Yes, we have several seats available in the middle section.
Great. Can I sit next to my friend?
Of course, I can book 2 seats together.
Thank you. How much does each middle seat ticket cost?
Each middle seat ticket costs $50.
That sounds reasonable. Are there any cheaper tickets?
Yes, the back seats cost $35.
I think I will stay with the middle seats.
I think you will enjoy the view much more.
Will I be able to see the stage clearly?
Yes, the middle section gives you a very good view.
Wonderful. What time does the concert begin?
The concert starts at 7 o'clock in the evening.
What time should I arrive?
Please arrive at least 30 minutes early.
That is easy. I will be there on time.
Very good. Do you need parking information?
Yes, please. I will drive to the concert.
There is a large parking area beside the concert hall.
That is good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like printed tickets or digital tickets?
I would like printed tickets, please.
No problem. I will print them for you now.
Thank you. Can I pay with my bank card?
Yes, we accept both cash and bank cards.
Great. I will pay with my card.
Your payment is complete.
Excellent. Can you please check that the seats are together?
Yes, your two seats are next to each other in the middle section.
Perfect. My friend will be very happy.
I hope both of you enjoy the concert.
I am very excited already.
I'm sure you will have a wonderful evening.
Thank you for your kind help. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Enjoy the concert and have a great time. Meeting at a cafe.
Hello, Lily. It is nice to see you again.
Hello, Jackson. It is great to see you too.
Thank you for meeting me at this cafe today.
You are welcome. It is a quiet and comfortable place.
Yes, I really like the friendly atmosphere here.
Me too. Would you like to order something first?
Yes, I would like a cup of coffee.
I will have a cup of hot tea.
That sounds nice on a cool day.
Yes, a warm drink always makes me feel better.
So, how have you been recently?
I have been very well. Work has been busy, but everything is going fine.
I am happy to hear that.
How about you? How have you been?
I have been good. I have been working and learning English every day.
That is wonderful. I think your English is getting better.
Thank you. I practice a little every day.
Small practice every day is a great habit.
What have you been doing after work?
I usually read books, listen to music, and spend time with my family.
That sounds relaxing. I like listening to music too.
What kind of music do you enjoy?
I like soft music because it helps me relax.
I enjoy soft music as well. It makes me feel calm.
Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Yes, I want to visit a park if the weather is nice.
That sounds like a good plan.
What about you? Do you have any plans?
I want to clean my house and watch a movie.
That sounds like a balanced weekend.
Yes, first work, then fun.
That is a good way to spend the weekend.
I also want to read an English story.
That will help you learn new words.
I hope so. I want to speak English more confidently.
Keep practicing. You are doing a great job.
Thank you. Your words always encourage me.
You are welcome. I always enjoy our conversations.
Me too. Thank you for spending time with me today.
It was my pleasure. I hope we can meet here again soon. Cooking outdoors.
The weather is beautiful today. I'm glad we are cooking outdoors.
Me too. The fresh air makes cooking more enjoyable.
Did you bring all the ingredients?
Yes, I brought vegetables, chicken, bread, and some spices.
Great. I will prepare the cooking table.
Thank you. I will wash the vegetables first.
The tomatoes look very fresh.
Yes, I bought them this morning.
What should I do next?
Please cut the onions and the peppers.
Okay, I will cut them carefully.
Good idea. Safety is important when cooking.
I do not want to cut my fingers today.
Neither do I.
The vegetables are ready. What is next?
Let us season the chicken with salt and pepper.
I will add a little garlic powder too.
That will make it taste even better.
The grill is getting hot now.
Perfect. We can start cooking the chicken.
I enjoy the sound of food cooking outside.
Me too. It feels relaxing and peaceful.
Do you often cook outdoors?
Not every week, but I do it whenever the weather is nice.
I think outdoor cooking makes food taste better.
I agree. Eating outside is always special.
The chicken looks golden now.
Yes, let us turn it over and cook the other side.
The smell is amazing.
I'm getting hungry already.
The food is ready. Let us sit down and eat.
Great! This outdoor meal was fun and everything looks delicious.